This part of the course is designed to look at technical analysis. Let's start by understanding the stochastic indicator that is primarily a tool to measure overbought and oversold areas in the market. It's a momentum indicator that alerts of strength and weakness in advance and can be used on any time frame. For example, the monthly, weekly, daily, intraday periods, and so on. Traders use stochastic in many different ways. We will focus on 3 of the most common stochastic trading methods. I've added this slide for those of you who are interested to know how the stochastic lines are calculated. Because the stochastic oscillator is range-bound, it means it goes from 0, way down here, to 100, right up here, and can show overbought and oversold conditions in the market. Let's spend a few minutes looking at the indicator itself. Stochastic consists of 2 lines, percentage K, which is the fast yellow line on your chart, and percentage D, which is the slow red line on your chart. There are also 2 control levels, which are set at 20 and 80. The 20 trigger or control level indicates an oversold market, where the 80 control level indicates an overbought market. Typically, anything that is above the 80 control level is considered overbought and indicates that price may go down, and anything that is below the 20 control level is signaling that it is oversold and price may go up. Let's add stochastic to a real chart. When stochastic is trading for some time in the overbought zone, it can indicate either a continuation of the trend or it can indicate sideways movement. It is wise to wait for both red and yellow lines of stochastic to fall below the 80 control level before considering a sell trade. When stochastic is below the 20 control level, market is treated as oversold and gives us an indication that the price can go up. When stochastic is trading for some time here in this oversold zone, which is below the 20 level, it can indicate a continuation of the trend or it can indicate sideways movement, also referred to as a consolidation of the market. I recommend that you wait for both stochastic lines to rise above the 20 line before considering a buy trade. There are 3 methods of how we can use the stochastic indicator. It's the overbought, oversold method, it's the crossover method, and the divergence method. For the overbought, oversold method, we need to see stochastic rises above the 80 level. The reason is we are looking for as much momentum as possible and will only apply the momentum in our favor once stochastic falls below the 80 level with both lines red and yellow. For a buy trade, we will do the reverse. Stochastic needs to be in the oversold zone and then rises above the 20% oversold level, with both stochastic lines red and yellow. This is a good indication that there is enough upward momentum. A buy signal is generated when stochastic moves in below the 20 level, then rises above the 20% control level. With a crossover method, on the other hand, we buy when the fast yellow stochastic crosses up through the red stochastic line, and we sell when the fast yellow stochastic crosses down through the slow red stochastic line. Be aware that the crossover method is not really suitable for beginner traders. It often provides nervous signals that needs to be filtered with another indicator or indicators. The easiest way, however, to trade stochastic is to trade divergence, where price is moving in one direction and stochastic is moving in the opposite direction. Divergence between stochastic lines and price is a good signal for buying and selling a currency pair. A negative divergence is when stochastic is trending lower, which indicates a weakness in the market, and at the same time price is making a series of new high points in the market. It's very important to know and understand where to draw the divergence lines on stochastic and on the candles. For a negative divergence, the trend line is drawn on the high side of the candles, and on stochastic it's drawn on the high points of stochastic. Make sure you get this right. For a negative divergence, stochastic needs to make lower low points while the market is making higher high points. Market tends to correct itself in the direction of stochastic, and this is important. Positive divergence, on the other hand, is when stochastic is trending higher and the market is making lower low points, which can be an indication of a trend reversal. It is important to pay attention where the divergence lines are drawn on the chart. For positive divergence, the trend line is drawn on the downside of stochastic as shown here and on the low side of the candles. For a positive divergence, stochastic needs to make higher low points while the market is making lower low points. Stochastic can be used with any currency pair and on any time frame, and it can provide good entry and exit signals in a trending market. However, I recommend using stochastic in combination with other indicators for better results. In the last session, where we will design our trading checklist, I will show you how to trade stochastic in combination with other indicators and filters.